How to use Notion AI to get more done. Now, what if your notes could write themselves? What if your meeting notes automatically turned into action items? What if your task manager could help organize your day, summarize your documents, and even answer questions about your workspace, and even help draft content? That is exactly what Notion AI is designed to do. Notion AI has evolved from a simple writing assistant into a much broader productivity platform that can summarize notes, answer questions across your workspace, generate content, automate database tasks, create meeting summaries, and assist with project. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Notion AI in 2026, the features that actually save time, and the workflows that can dramatically improve your productivity, whether you are a student, freelancer, creator, or business owner. So let's get started. Now, before we dive into the actual features, let's quickly understand what Notion AI actually is. Now, most people think it is just an AI writing assistant. That is no longer true. Modern Notion AI can help with writing, summarizing, brainstorming, project management, meeting notes, knowledgeable search, database automation, and workspace organization. One of Notion AI's biggest advantages is that it actually understands the content already inside of your workflow. Okay, allowing it to provide more contextual answers than many standalone AI tools. Think of it as having an AI assistant but directly into your productivity system. So first and foremost, you're going to create or log into your Notion account. So I'm simply going to go ahead and log into mine. You can go ahead and create your very own. It is simply pretty free. You can use Google, Apple, Microsoft, or any other account that you want. I'm simply going to go ahead and use my Gmail for my sign in. And once we have signed in using our Gmail, it's going to take me straight to my dashboard. Now, once inside, you will have access to AI features depending on your plan. In 2026, Notion AI capabilities are integrated directly into the workspace experience, including AI powered writing sections, search meeting notes, research tools, and workflow automation. Now, you don't need any technical skills. If you can use a note taking app, you can use Notion AI. So let's start with one of the easiest features. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up a new page. Okay. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead in this private section. I'm going to add a page. So once we have a page, you're going to click onto the page. And once you click onto the page, you're going to ask AI to help generate content for you. Now, how can you do that? You're basically going to go ahead and write in slash. Okay. So once you add in space, here's AI. So you can write something like write a blog post outline, let's say about digital marketing. Okay. We can write that in. And once we do that, we're going to hit enter. Once you hit enter, what Notion does within seconds is create a draft for you. Now, this is extremely perfect for students, content creators, marketers, business owners, and freelancers. Now, the goal here isn't necessarily to let AI do all of your work. The goal is to eliminate the blank page problem. Now, this is one of the biggest productivity wins out there. Most people collect information faster than they can process it. Meeting notes, research documents, client calls, course materials, and instead of rereading everything, simply ask Notion AI to summarize it. Notion AI can condense long documents into key takeaways, action items, and concise summaries. Now, this has become one of the platform's most widely used productivity features. So imagine turning 20 pages of notes into 1 minute summary. Now, that is a massive time saver. Now, this is where Notion AI becomes really powerful. So let's say your workspace contains project documents, client notes, meeting records, research databases, and instead of searching manually, you can simply ask what decisions were made during last week's meeting. So let's say I'm going to go into this page of mine. Okay. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and ask it, summarize this project. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And what Notion does is it summarizes everything from income, categories, view of income, everything. So Notion is going to go ahead and load that whole database on the right-hand bottom-hand side, as you can clearly see, and it's going to give you all the details that you've asked it. So simply wait for it to load in, and as you can see, everything is here, and we're going to write create a dashboard for all of, we're going to go ahead and write that in. And once we do that, Notion will understand the factor that we need it to create us a dashboard. And as you can see, it starts organizing and working in. Now, moreover, you don't only have to use it for this. You can also use it for meeting notes. So you can pretty much use AI meeting notes, which is basically a new function where you can actually go ahead and add a meeting in this and ask it to start transcribing, and those meeting notes are going to be generated for you. So for many people, the answer depends on one thing. Do you already use Notion? If your notes, projects, tasks, documentations already live inside Notion, the AI becomes significantly more useful because it understands your workspace context. If you're already invested in the Notion ecosystem, AI can become a serious productivity multiplier for you. So that is how you can use Notion AI to get more done in 2026. The biggest takeaway is pretty simple. Don't use Notion AI as a chatbot. Use it as a workspace assistant. The more info you organize inside Notion, the more valuable the AI becomes. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.